Hello, my beautiful friends. I have received my witch casket box, fresh from the UK. I'm going to open it up. For those of you who are new to the channel, there's a lot of new subscribers. Just a reminder that I do not identify as a witch. I have many friends who do. I happen to like this box because it has things in it that aren't necessarily witchcraft. They kind of exist in all sort of outer faith practices and interfaith practices too. But here it is, and it smells good. I think the last one smelled good too. All right, so I don't read the wee bookie first, but it comes with a wee bookie. It always comes with a piece of artwork, which is always stunning. I don't know if I'm holding this upside down or maybe it goes this way. I don't know. I'm not sure. Monthly manifestations. My manifestation is to be able to enunciate. The seeds are planted, intentions are set. I can command my desires be met. It's the artwork. Isn't that spectacular? They have good artists. I don't know if it's the same artist or different artists. Okay, our first thing is a tote bag. You know, and the English professor in me is a lover of tote bags. I love them. So this one is the moon phases, which is very cool. Especially today because it's the solstice, so it's even more meaningful to open up. You know, when you think about, I probably spend way too much time thinking about ancient Celtic people, but I think about how, you know, they could tell the day and time because of the sun and the moon, and their seasons. The eightfold wheel comes from the understanding of that cycle, right? So we're so disconnected from that. You know, my iWatch and my Apple phone and all. I'm an Apple girl, so I have all the things, and I don't look to the sun. I don't look to the moon. I don't look to the seasons for my rhythms, and I should. All right, the next little thing in here is a bag, a manifestation charm bag kit. Contains everything you need to attract what you desire. I don't know what I desire. For a long time it was McCrae McAllen bagpipes, but then my son got tired of listening to me whine about them, so he got them for me, so I have nothing now. Now there's a beautiful wooden thing. It's like definitely wood burned or etched. It's beautiful. It's going to go into my office. My roof got fixed, so now it's where we're storing all of our Christmas presents. Oh, a new pendulum. I'm a fan of a pendulum. I have quite a few that I like. This is a beautiful one. That's beautiful. It's got like a little black spot on it. It reminds me of my cat. My cat is black with one little white milk mustache. His name is Remington. He has fish brothers named Smith and Wesson. Guess who named them? There's always an enamel pin in these boxes, and that is a cute one. It's a little kitty cat, black cat, sleeping on the moon. That's adorable. All right. There's a scroll. I love these scrolls, and I hate opening them because there's this cute sticker, and I'm always afraid I'm going to rip the paper. And if you haven't noticed, I don't do my nails. Hestia always has it's like the one thing of hers I don't watch is when she opens up the box, she gets the nails in, because I'm like, bagpiper, I don't need special nails. And clearly, I'm not going to be able to open this up without ripping it, because I can't. Oh, God. We're going to be here all day if I have to do this. All right, I will get back to that. I will pause and go get something to help me open that up. What's next? Oh, there's always incense. An enchanting blend of rose and myrrh. Oh, that smells good. Last month smelled good, too. They have really nice smelling incense. That's really good. There's a lot in this box. And I will say that I appreciate that they use packing peanuts. but they don't use an insane amount of them. Magical Moon water bottle. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little moon on it and little stars. It's adorable. That's adorable. I don't do anything with moon water. As you know, if you follow the channel, I don't perform magic. I do rituals, but I wouldn't necessarily call them magical. But I do put my stones out to charge, and I might put water out. I don't know what I would use it for. All right, and the last thing in the box is a crescent moon crystal tray. So I went to Witchy Bingo tonight. My college roommate and our friend Jackie. Oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. I gotta say, this is a good box. Like, I was very sad that Goddess Provisions changed their format. I'm going to get 2 more of those boxes before my subscription runs out. But this was recommended to me. And I will say, I am not disappointed. Everything I get, like, I love all this stuff. And even though it's called the Witch Casket, and I'm not a witch, I mean, it still resonates. Like, it's still... Like, everything in here, I mean, I won't use the water necessarily for a ritual, because my rituals don't really usually involve that sort of thing. Mostly fire. You know, mostly, like, prayers and meditation and things like that. I don't know how to get this back in the box. I'll have to fuss with that later. But, you know, but I still think it's beautiful, and I still think it's, something I'll use just in a different way. All right. Let's see. What came in the thing? So, Magical Moon water bottle, Crescent Moon crystal tray, wooden wall plaque, moon phase tote bag, rainbow moonstone pendulum. Mine didn't look like a rainbow, but that's okay. Moon magic incense, manifestation charm bag kit, which must be what this is. This must be what you do with that. Cat on the Moon enamel pin, which I love. That's so cute. Magical Phases of the Moon parchment scroll. Okay, that's what this is. And Lunar Illumination art print, which was the initial print that I put out. Seriously, like, it's a good box. Like, it is a good box, even if you're not a witch or you don't identify as one. There's still value in every single thing that is in this box for somebody who is spiritual. And as a Celtic spiritualist, I will find meaning in the stuff in there. So, excellent box. And I will link below how you can get your own box if you'd like to try it. Just a reminder that I am not sponsored by any of the boxes that I get. I pay for them myself so that I can say whatever I want about them. So if I think it's bullcrap, I will tell you that. So, wishing you all the best in light and love. Happy solstice. Bye-bye.